Join us for day 10 of our Orlando holiday, and today we're back at Universal. This time we're heading to Islands of Adventure, which I'm really excited about because I feel this park has better rides and roller coasters than Universal Studios. So first one we went to was the incredible Hulk coaster, and just from looking at this one you know it's going to be good. Look at that. Now again, to get through the queues we used the single rider lane, which worked well on this ride, not so much on a couple of the others, but this meant we didn't sit with each other on the ride but we get straight to the front. And we continued walking through the Marvel Superhero Island before jumping onto the amazing Spider-Man 3D simulator ride, which I absolutely loved. Islands of Adventure also has some cracking water rides, so we did Blue O's barges first. I was fuming with Claire as she sneakily bought a little poncho to not get wet. This is what we looked like at the start of the ride, and this is what we ended up like. Yeah, you get absolutely drenched. And why stop there when you've got Dudley's Do Right Ripshore Falls next, which again just left us absolutely soaking. We went straight to the Jurassic Park area because there's one more water ride. The kids got soaked before we actually headed on to the Jurassic Park River Adventure, and then we started to dry ourselves off by heading on the Skull Island Reign of Kong ride. Then we headed over to the Velocicoaster, which I think's up there as the best roller coaster in Orlando. Not gonna lie, there were times where I felt I was gonna fall out of my seat with this one. It was exhilarating to say the least. Then we wandered through Hogsmeade and Hogwarts once again. We went on the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey ride, grabbed another butterbeer with Lil before listening to some frogs sing, and then we had a lengthy queue for Hagrid's motorbike adventure. I was thinking, surely this queue can't be worth it. And it was weird, we got asked so many times how many of us were in our group, which made us think we were getting near the front of the queue, but actually it just led to another room. It did take a while, but let me tell you, it was worth it. That was a cracking ride. And then that was it for the day. We had a little walk through the rest of Hogsmeade before heading back to the van. And after all that walking, did a fair few steps today. I think I'd earned this monster of a steak at Longhorn Steakhouse. Look at that beauty.